Hello guys, hope you are doing well. In this video series, that is Aircraft Explained ATA wise, I am going to launch this new video, that is Aircraft ATA breakdown. That what is ATA breakdown, what is the structure of ATA, and if you want to open any manual, any maintenance manual, operational manual, any troubleshooting manual, then how you will get to know that which component is for me and what are the procedures and warning precautions that are applicable for me. That means how you are going to search that exact component in ATA chapters. So this is very easy thing, but many of the people did not know this. So I am going to take one example of ATA 29. So ATA 29 is hydraulic power, and you must know that ATA can be go inside, you can go inside the ATA. I will explain you. You can go inside the ATA. That means you can divide the ATA further also. Like whole aircraft is divided into 100 ATAs, 1, 2, 3 to 100. Now each and every ATA is also further divided into sections, subsection and subjects. So what are these? I will going to explain. The first thing, I am taking example of ATA 29, that is hydraulic power. Hydraulic power is now can be divided inside. Okay, so if you go inside ATA 29, it will be ATA 29 10, ATA 29 20, ATA 29 30, likewise. Okay, according to the ATA that you are describing. If you are describing some other ATA, it can be 3, 4, 5, 6. If it is very small ATA, it can be 1 only. So as you can see in the figure, ATA 29 is the main ATA chapter. Now if you go inside ATA 29, you will get the sections, or you can say subsystems, because ATA 29 is the hydraulic system. Now if you will go inside, you will get subsystems. So what you will get, it is just example, you will get 2910-00. So that means now also after this also you can go further, because 2910 then also it is 00. So you can go inside also. I will tell you how. So inside 29 you will get 2910 and 2920. So 2910 is the main hydraulic power. The 2920 is the auxiliary hydraulic power. Main hydraulic power means all the powers that are directly coming from the hydraulic power of the aircraft main systems. Auxiliary means if the main system fails, what are the backup power that we are having is our auxiliary power. So I will now go inside the main hydraulic power, that is 2910. So if you go inside 2910, you will get, this was the section. Now you will go inside, it will be subsection. Subsection means 291100, 291200, 291300. So 2911 is the green hydraulic power, that is inside the main hydraulic power. Okay, then blue hydraulic power is 2912, then 2913 is the yellow hydraulic power, likewise. Now so from main you will go inside the section. Now from section you have gone into the subsection. Now if you want, you can go inside the subsection also, then you will get the subjects, that means your components. How? Now I have decided to go inside 2912. So if you will go inside 2912, that is subsection, if you go inside that, you will get the subjects, like 2912, if you go inside 291217, 291232, 291241. So 291217 is the pressure switch, 291232 is priority valve, 291241 is reservoir. Likewise some other components are also there. So these are the components. Like if you are removing the reservoir, you are not going to consider whole 29 ATA. You will go inside 29 ATA, then you will get the section like 2910, that is main hydraulic power. Inside that you will get this blue hydraulic power, that is 2912, and when you go inside that, then you will get 2912 and 41, that is reservoir. So likewise you will have to decide that what are the contents for me it is needed. Okay, so if you go like this, you will get your components and your procedures, everything, tools, job setup, what are the procedures, what are the close-up, what are the CVs, what are the things you want to know. You will go inside this way, then only you will get your exact and correct procedure. So this is a very informative video. If you find that it is informative, hit the like, do the subscribe and share it with your friends, so that everyone can get benefited. Thank you.